Hello everyone. Welcome to Inspire. You are watching short and sweet tutorial series. This series is for beginners and new learners who want to start learning Adobe Premiere Pro software but they don't know where to start or how to start. I will show you very basics of video editing in Premiere Pro step by step. As I show you in previous episode how to use effects, now we will see how to use adjustment layer and black video in Premiere Pro. We can use effects on adjustment layer and black video. Adjustment layer will automatically affect all the layers underneath it. It is very useful tool to editing. So let's get started and jump into the Premiere Pro software. This is my timeline which I am using from last few episodes so that it can connect episodes and also save the time of making timeline again and again in every episode. You can see links in description below. So now here I will go to Effect panel first and open a Distort Effects. And add corner pin on first video. Then go to Effect Control and tweak the effect. I will make my video in perspective by putting its corner here. It will look like big screen in perspective. Now I will play the video and see how it looks. So now here the effect is not applied on second video. The effect is in first video only. To give effect to other videos I have to copy and paste it on every video. So this is very long process. Now I will delete effect from every video. And reset everything. Now go to Project panel and click on New Item icon here and select Adjustment Layer. Adjustment Layer will automatically select size and frame rate according to our sequence, or else you can change it also. Now this is Adjustment Layer. Select this and put it on timeline here. Make sure that your adjustment layer is on top of other layers on which you want to apply some effects. Now go to Effect panel and select any effect you want. I will select corner pin again and tweak its values. I will put its corners something like this. Now we will play and see the result. Now you can see it automatically apply the effect on all the videos which are underneath it. So I do not have to put any extra effort on other videos. You can add many effects on adjustment layer to make cool videos. Let's try a few other effects on adjustment layer. First I will delete this corner pin effect. And add mirror effect here. These are the properties of mirror effect. Now I will change angle here. It will give soft mirror look here. Now I will put its position to down here. It give effect to all videos. Now I will put adjustment layer till 15 seconds and play it. It will cut down the effect where adjustment layer ends. So it's important to keep videos underneath it. Now, we will see what black video is. Go to Project panel first and right-click here in Project panel. Then select New Item and Black Video. Black Video will automatically select size and frame rate according to our sequence, same like adjustment layer, or else you can change it also. This is Black Video in Project panel. I will put it on top of every layer. Now go to Effect panel and open Generate here. I will give 4 color gradients to this black video. Then change its opacity value here. We can see here in Program panel. It's merged with all the videos underneath it. Black video will also work like adjustment layer. Mostly this generate effects are easy to use in black video, and this distort effects are easy to use on adjustment layer. Start practicing adjustment layers and black video in your edits. And if you like this video and learned something useful, then hit on the like button and subscribe to this channel for more editing and VFX videos and tutorials.